Hey there! Ever wondered what sets us humans apart from our furry, feathered and finned friends? Sure, we all need food, water and sleep. And yes, we all feel joy, sadness and fear. But humans have some unique traits that really make us stand out in the animal kingdom. First up, complex language. We humans have this incredible ability to communicate using intricate languages. We don't just grunt or howl. We express abstract ideas, share knowledge and build complex societies. Imagine trying to explain quantum physics with just a bark. Next, advanced tool use. Some animals use tools, but humans, we've taken it to the next level. From the wheel to the smartphone, our tools and technologies have transformed our lives and our environment. Then there's culture and tradition. Humans have rich cultures and traditions that shape our behaviors, beliefs and values. These are passed down through generations, creating a tapestry of human history and identity. And let's not forget self-awareness and consciousness. Humans possess a high level of self-awareness, allowing us to reflect on our thoughts, feelings and experiences. We ponder our existence and our place in the universe. But here's the twist. The line between humans and other animals isn't always clear-cut. Many animals show complex behaviors, use tools and even have their own forms of culture. We're all part of the same animal kingdom and our unique characteristics have evolved over millions of years. So, next time you marvel at human achievements, remember we're just a part of this incredible, diverse world. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell for more fascinating insights.